Hi, I'm Ollie, CEO at Earthly. Our mission is to become the leading platform for nature protection and regeneration, and remove 1 billion tons of carbon over the next decade. We're excited to be working towards a solution at this critical time. We believe the tools to restore Earth and positively impact climate change and biodiversity loss are in our hands. That's where Earthly comes in, a platform designed to help businesses remove carbon, restore nature, and reverse climate change. We source high-quality nature-based solutions, projects from around the world that have the power to remove carbon, whilst also restoring ecosystems in partnership with local communities. These solutions have the power to tackle climate and ecological crises and contribute 1/3 of the carbon sequestration needed this decade, yet receive only 1/10 of the funding required to achieve this. There's also a real lack of high-quality nature-based projects, and the important co-benefits impacting people and biodiversity are not being tracked effectively. For this reason, today it's a lot harder to understand and to track the full potential of these nature-based solutions. Earthly seeks to bridge the funding gap by providing a trusted marketplace that helps businesses discover and invest in the most effective nature-based solutions.
Bringing together both established and new innovative nature-based solutions, every project on the Earthly platform is vetted using a system approved by our independent scientific board and are then monitored using satellite verification. Our proprietary assessment system not only tells us how likely a project is to deliver on its climate mitigation, biodiversity and social impact goals, but also monitors project performance over time.
We've also built a groundbreaking immersive experience in partnership with multi-BAFTA award-winning Alchemy Immersive that brings nature-based solutions to life and helps our clients communicate the impact of their project investments. Each customer receives a unique virtual island that dynamically evolves in parallel with the carbon, biodiversity and social impacts of the projects they support.
Alchemy is absolutely delighted to have been involved in this absolute cutting-edge app, which allows people to see how they impact on the environment and nature.
To help businesses, we've broken down our products into 3 main categories. Firstly, we have a climate positive certification that helps small to medium-sized enterprises with their carbon accounting needs. We then connect them with the most effective projects globally to remove at least 110% of their carbon footprint. Secondly, our APIs allow businesses to automate investments into nature at the touch of a button and easily keep track of their positive impact over time. Lastly, our online marketplace provides spot and long-term purchasing, where we can provide customers with one-off investments into high-quality projects or provide a long-term strategy to meet their net zero or carbon removal needs. We work with customers that have a clear carbon reduction strategy, and we're on track to remove close to 200,000 tons of CO2 by the end of this year.
We wanted to do more than just plant trees, to be honest. We looked at many different partners right at the early stage, but Earthly really stood out against the crowd. When I talk about the work that Earthly are doing, people are really engaged and excited to be making a difference to whole communities, to families, to children and to wildlife. This is our first sustainability strategy that we've launched, and we hope that going forwards we can make a much greater difference. We absolutely are planning to continue investing with Earthly in nature-based solutions.
We're very excited that Earthly was selected to participate at COP26 and given the opportunity to showcase our innovative technology on a global stage. With the offset market set to exponentially grow from 600 million in 2020 to 200 billion in 2050, we believe Earthly is well positioned to be a key player in this emerging market. Last summer, we overfunded a £750,000 pre-seed here on Crowdcube, and we now return for our seed round with £1.2 million successfully raised from institutional investors. Closing this round will help us to scale our technology, reach new customers, and grow our team. We are an experienced team of
entrepreneurs,
engineers,
scientists, all inspired by a vision of a planet
where businesses work in partnership with nature, not against them. Together, we're leading a global movement, the natural revolution, to remove carbon, restore nature, and reverse climate breakdown.